For the past few months, I've been ignoring Instagram for one massive reason. And you see, the thing is, it's not even just Instagram, it's kind of TikTok as well. They're the only platforms where I haven't posted any kind of content religiously. So today, we're going to change that. Literally, you could not make this up. Look at what's just happened to my phone. In that last clip, man, it just fell over. Anyway, we're here at the first location, and I'm going to use this phone right here to capture some Instagram-worthy shots. And I think it's time that we got into a little montage. Alright, yes people, welcome back to another video. I'm Bash and this is Nomad Scrambler, and today we're trying to revive my dead Instagram account. Now I've like rejected it for too long almost. I've given up on it. It's the only account that hasn't reached 1,000 followers yet. TikTok's done it, YouTube's done it, but for some reason I just can't seem to crack Instagram. I can't get over that first 1,000 follower mark, and I want to change that. So today I am on a photo mission. Now in that little beginning cinematic sequence, I smashed my phone screen, man. Well, I think I've cracked. Oh my goodness, the phone screen protector. Not ideal at all, but not a lot I can do about it now. I've done it, so yeah. Wounded. Anyway, I haven't posted consistently on Instagram for about, God, at least a year, I'd say. I post on and off, and then I'm like, well, why do I never grow? Because I'm not pushing Instagram as one of my main platforms. It is one of those like side platforms that comes with being a content creator. Even though I'm just a part-time content creator, this is one of the side platforms that I have to kind of promote, kind of put out there, because it's a way for people to find me that's not, you know, that's not YouTube. And the more I think about it, the more I realize that, yeah, I do actually kind of need to push Instagram a bit more and become a little bit more active on there, because I post stories a lot on there about what I'm doing and what I've been up to, posting these stories, but it's not getting the reach because most of you guys follow from the YouTube account. Then it's kind of pointless, isn't it? So I'm going to change that. I'm going to push Instagram a lot more in the coming months, and now was the perfect time to do that. But anyway, the Buck Scrambler with his new 1200 Scrambler, big shout out to him, because this little spot that I'm heading to now is all over his Instagram feed, and it looks sick, and it looks like a great place to go and take some photos, albeit I'm using my phone, but it's one of those things, unfortunately. I haven't got anything else. It's what I've got to do. So what's going to happen, I'm going to jump cut now, and when I clap my hand, we will be over at the first spot. Are you ready? Alright, spot number 2 down, and I think that's all I can do for today. The light is a bit too harsh for the kind of look that I'm going for, but got a couple of good photos. I'm now going to head back, and I'm going to edit this video because I'm trying to get a decent backlog. Together before I start releasing content again. It's been a bit of a weird few months. I haven't really been out to film anything, and now I'm starting to pay that price where I've got no content and I'm having to go out and record a decent amount like I am. I'm trying to get ahead again for winter, because as we all know, that is the enemy of every single motor vlogger. Now that I've been to both locations, I guess we should talk about the 3-step plan. Now, number 1 is just to post more and actually be a bit more active than I have been on Instagram. I'm going to aim to post 3 times a week. That's quite a lot. However, as long as I get a minimum of 1 or 2 posts up a week, I'm not going to like cry about it, because I just need to get more content out there, get more chance of the Instagram account gaining some kind of exposure, and then we can move on to bigger things. Okay, so step number 2 is to try and appeal directly to my audience and try and build up a bit of a community on there, talk to people, reply, kind of just get involved with a bit more of the bike life community on Instagram, because I've failed to do that, especially in the early stages of building the brand. I wasn't really like replying to anyone else. I'd like people's photos, but just I had too much going on to sit there and comment and do all that other good stuff. And I really want to start building this community. I want a decent community. I don't want to just be a channel with thousands of subscribers and then and like no kind of sense of community. I'd rather have a really engaged audience and no subscribers than a load of subscribers who aren't engaged at all, and that is what it feels like on Instagram. I've got 678 people. I've got about 12 people that I know that are constantly like religiously liking photos and stuff, and that makes me so much happier than all the other people that follow me and then don't ever kind of engage with any of the content. And it goes the same both ways, I guess. You've got to engage in order to be engaged with. So that is the goal. That is the goal for step 2. And then finally, step 3. I've been saying it for ages. I said it when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I would give away a set of these Akin Moto gloves. Well, guess what? I have literally just shot the promo images for the giveaway, so that will be live by the time this video goes out. So if you aren't already, get yourself over to my Instagram at Scrambler and check out the giveaway prize, because you could be getting a set of these sweet gloves. Now it is only open to UK like households. I can't ship internationally, I'm sorry guys, but it is just open to UK people. So if you are living in the UK and you do want a sweet set of gloves, go over to the Instagram page, like the photo, share it with your friends, and yeah, you will be entered into the draw for these gloves. That is the final, that's like the Hail Mary, I guess. I've been talking about it for so long, I don't want to be a channel of empty promises, so I'm finally doing it. I'm finally doing the giveaway. If you want to win them, let me know, hit me up in the post and you will get all of the details on how to win these gloves. But Instagram really could be easy. It's like anything, if you're not consistent with it, Instagram, then it's going to forget about you. Same with YouTube, and you can be really punished by that algorithm, especially when you're coming back to either your existing audience or a new audience. They might punish you because you're not that consistent person, and unfortunately that's just the way that it is with algorithms. But I'm going to get out there, I'm going to engage with my followers, and hopefully that will spark some engagement back from my followers, so that we kind of build this sense of community over on Instagram. That is the goal anyway. I want to build a sense of community, and I'm starting now with creator-based content on Instagram. So if you aren't already, please do go over to the Instagram account and follow it at Scrambler. Like the video if you do, subscribe if you aren't already, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.